Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply fake steam to your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video of soup and I just want to add some steam to it. I am going to copy and paste it though, and I'm going to select effects here. I'm going to type in steam. It is under the nature section if you can't find it. So I'll just go here actually because I can't really find it. Select steam and add it to your video. There we go. You can adjust the atmosphere and speed, and as you can see, you'll see some steam over the bowl. So to make it a little bit more realistic, I'd like to just select the video here, go to cutout and select the circle one so that I can kind of mask the steam where I want it. I'm going to feather it out a little bit, like so. So as you can see, the steam is only on top of the video and not like here. Go to basic, go to steam, and adjust the atmosphere a little bit so the steam isn't too visible, but you can see just enough. And that is pretty much it. That's how you can add fake steam to your foods on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.